Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this place is kind of scary. Look, there's literally no one here. And I'm here all alone. I hope no one sees me. And here's the alarm clock. Welcome to my channel. So basically on the last video I said if I get 150 likes I'll destroy this alarm clock, but it was stuck on 12 for the whole week. So I just quit moving on and I'm just gonna start breaking it like early. Let's go. Here I got a hammer. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it has broke already. Thing here. Right, 3, 2, 1. So this thing basically opens every time. 3, 2, 1. Display came out of the thing. Right, 3, 2, 1. Really hard one. Oh, look at that. The case broke. Let's see if the display. Let's see if something happened. Bro, the display is still okay. Or I'm just gonna throw it there. Well, let's destroy the display. 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. 3, 2, 1. And look at that. Ooh, that scared me. Thankfully, no one came. This is the biggest thing I have ever done. Here's the other shell. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Thanks. So the clock is fully destroyed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.